Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you struggling with dry, damaged hair that just won't bounce back no matter what you try? If so, you're not alone, and today we've got a product that might just be the answer. Let's talk about the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Intense Repair Hot Oil Treatment. This luxurious treatment promises to restore and rejuvenate your hair, leaving it feeling nourished, shiny, and healthy. But does it really deliver? Stick around to find out, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more beauty tips and honest reviews. Now let's dive into the details. The Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Intense Repair Hot Oil Treatment is a highly concentrated formula specifically designed to target breakage and dryness. It features black seed oil, a potent ingredient known for its healing properties that rejuvenates and fortifies the hair. The treatment is sulfate, paraben, and gluten-free, which is always a plus for those of us concerned about harmful chemicals in our hair care. To use this treatment, you simply apply a generous amount to damp hair, focusing on the mid-shaft to ends. You can either blow dry your hair, or, for a more intense treatment, wrap it in a towel and let it sit for 30 minutes with a shower cap. After that, you rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual. Simple enough, right? When I first tried the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Hot Oil Treatment, I was impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. I used it on damp hair after a long week of styling, and I could already feel the difference. My hair felt smoother and softer immediately after rinsing out the treatment. I let my hair air dry and noticed it looked shinier and healthier. I also tried it on a second wash with a blow dry, and the results were even more noticeable. My hair looked revived, with less frizz and more volume. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. The pros are clear. The treatment is rich and moisturizing, perfect for dry, damaged hair. Black seed oil is a game changer, and I love that it adds shine without weighing down the hair. The product is very easy to use and doesn't leave any greasy residue, which can sometimes happen with hot oil treatments. Plus, the fact that it's free from sulfates and parabens is always a win for me, especially when it comes to products I'll be using regularly. On the flip side, the cons are minimal, but worth mentioning. For those of you with extremely thick or long hair, you might need to use more of the product for full coverage, especially if you have a lot of damage to work with. The 1.7 ounce bottle could also run out fairly quickly if you're using it as a weekly treatment. As for value for money, I think it's a solid investment for those who struggle with dry and damaged hair. While it may be pricier than some drugstore options, the quality and performance of the Chai treatment make it worth the price if you're looking for something more effective than a regular conditioner or mask. Plus, the bottle lasts a while when you use it as directed, so it's not a product you'll need to repurchase often. Now, how does this compare to other treatments? There are other hot oil treatments on the market, but few offer the same blend of luxury ingredients and performance. Some alternatives might be cheaper, but I find they often don't deliver the same level of moisture or shine. However, if you're on a budget, look for alternatives with ingredients like argan oil or keratin. While they might not have the same exotic appeal as black seed oil, they still do a solid job of restoring moisture. The build quality of the product is great. It's packaged in a simple yet elegant tube that's easy to use in the shower. The product feels thick and rich, which gives you a sense that it's a high-quality treatment. As for longevity, the product doesn't go bad quickly, and I found the effects of the treatment lasted a couple of days before I needed another dose of moisture. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Now let's talk about customer support. While I didn't need to reach out to Chai directly, I know that they have a solid reputation for customer service, especially when it comes to their hair care products. They're responsive and genuinely care about their customers, which is always a good sign in this industry. As for updates, I haven't seen any recent changes to this specific product. But if they do reformulate or make any updates, it will be interesting to see how it improves. Looking for something a bit more budget-friendly? There are plenty of alternatives that offer similar benefits, like the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco treatment, or the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. They won't give you the exact same experience, but they're definitely worth trying if you're looking to spend less. In conclusion, the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Intense Repair Hot Oil Treatment is a fantastic choice for anyone with dry, damaged hair who's looking for an extra boost of hydration and strength. It provides real results, making your hair feel soft, shiny, and healthy without the harmful chemicals that can often be found in other treatments. If you're willing to invest in your hair care routine, this product is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.